A value study is a small and simplified version of the image we intend to draw and is done in preparation for shading or painting. It usually comes after the block-in phase of the drawing or painting. It is a place where you work out the shapes, the different values, the value relationships, and what they would be. You determine how light or dark different parts of the image need to be in the broadest possible terms. It requires us to reduce an image to its essence, to the smallest number of distinct values possible, while still preserving the impression of the image at large. We do this by grouping values either in terms of the properties of light or values that are close or similar grouped together. We usually divide values into 3 to 5 groups. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.